By the end of this video, you'll understand what data means in AI and why AI needs so much of it to work at all. Let's start with a simple picture. Imagine you want to teach a young child what a dog looks like. You wouldn't just describe it in words. You'd show the child photo after photo of dogs. A small dog, a big dog, a fluffy dog, a dog running. After enough photos, the child starts to notice the pattern on their own. Next time they see a dog they've never seen before, they still know that's a dog. That's exactly what data is for AI. Data just means examples. Lots and lots of examples that get shown to the computer program so it can learn a pattern, the same way the child learned from photos. When people say an AI model was trained on data, they simply mean it was shown a huge pile of examples. If it's a model that recognizes pictures, the data is millions of photos, each one labeled with what's in it. If it's a model that writes text, the data is huge amounts of writing, like websites, books, and articles. Now here's the part beginners often ask: why does AI need so much data? Why not just show it 10 photos of a dog? Think back to the child again. If you only ever showed them one single photo of one brown dog, they might think all dogs have to be brown and exactly that size. Show them thousands of dogs instead in every color, shape, and pose, and they build a much better, much more flexible understanding of what actually makes something a dog. AI works the same way. The more varied examples it sees, the better it gets at spotting the real pattern, instead of just memorizing a few specific cases. That's why AI companies use enormous amounts of data, millions or even billions of examples, not dozens. There's one more thing worth knowing. Good data has to be good quality. If you showed that child 100 photos, but half of them were actually cats mislabeled as dogs, the child would get confused. The same is true for AI. Messy, wrong, or biased data leads to a model that learns messy, wrong, or biased patterns. That's why so much of the work behind building AI is just cleaning and organizing data before training even starts. So to recap, data means examples. AI needs a huge number of them, and they need to be good quality, so it can learn real patterns instead of memorizing a few narrow cases, just like a child learning from a big stack of varied photos instead of just one. If that made things click a little more, give this video a like and subscribe so you catch the next episode in this series. And if you've still got a question about how AI actually works, drop it in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.